Good Tuesday evening. Let's take a look at why we didn't see the severe weather we expected yesterday. We had pretty thick cloud cover in place across the Brazos Valley through the entire day. Now, that limited just how much heating we saw at the surface. Those temperatures stayed in the 70s, and that's not cold, but it's cool, and cool air likes to stay close to the surface. Warm air rises. Think of a winter day when you're walking into your house after work, you have the heater on. A little bit chilly on that first floor, but as you go up to the second and the third floors, it's a little bit warmer. Heat likes to rise, and that's what we were expecting to happen yesterday, but that cloud cover, yeah, it kind of shut off those warm temperatures. If we would have seen a few breaks in the clouds, those temperatures would have warmed into the 80s, and that buoyant air would have risen into some vigorous updrafts, leading to the potential for tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. And we didn't see that yesterday, and that's the good news. We didn't want to see it. That cloud cover is what helped protect us. Now, it's not warm out there right now. Those temperatures actually a little bit cooler behind that cold front that worked its way in overnight into the morning hours, 10 to 15 degrees cooler across a large part of the Brazos Valley. Those temperatures have slipped into the 50s, sitting at 58 degrees in Bryan College Station, 53 in Caldwell, 57 degrees out there in Waco along that I-45 corridor. Temperatures also in the low to mid 50s. Definitely going to need that jacket as you head out the door tomorrow morning. High pressure building its way in from northern Texas. That's what allowed it to be so windy this afternoon. But now that this high pressure is settling over the Brazos Valley, those winds are dying, and those skies out there, they are clear. There's not a cloud in the sky, and there's no precipitation across the state of Texas. Now, we're going to notice that high pressure continue to build in over the Brazos Valley heading into tomorrow morning. It's going to be clear out there, light winds, it's going to be cool. Now, this high going to scoot off towards the east as we head into the afternoon hours. That's going to allow those winds to return from the south and the east, and we'll gradually see an uptick in that cloud cover heading into the afternoon and evening hours, but it's going to remain dry. That moisture going to continue to feed into the Brazos Valley by Thursday morning. Notice we're going to start to see some cloud cover really increase Thursday morning, and we're going to see disturbance move overhead by the afternoon hours. That's going to trigger some showers and storms Thursday afternoon into the evening hours across the Brazos Valley. Not really expecting severe weather, but don't be surprised if you hear a rumble or two of thunder. We're going to see more significant changes heading into Friday and Saturday. A cold front going to work its way in from northern parts of Texas, and it's eventually going to stall out over the Brazos Valley or somewhere near the Brazos Valley. That's going to allow storms to train within that stalled boundary, and that could lead to some heavy rainfall. We're not exactly sure where this is going to stall out just yet. It could be just to the north or just to the south of the area, but we're going to continue to iron that out over the next couple of days because that's going to play an important factor in who sees the heaviest rain. It's kind of early to start looking at rain totals, but let's go ahead and take a look at what the models are showing. Notice where we have that front projected to stall across the Brazos Valley. Some areas picking up between 1 to almost 3 inches of rain. It's just going to really be dependent upon where that boundary stalls out. So we're going to continue to iron that out, but it does look like the entire Brazos Valley should pick up at least an inch of rain. That is good news because the southern zone is within a drought. Temperatures tonight going to be pretty chilly out there, going to be below average in the upper 40s, lower 50s. So again, you want to make sure you wear that light jacket tomorrow morning, go out on the patio with a blanket and enjoy a cup of coffee because it's going to be nice out there. And if you don't like the cool temperatures, I have some good news for you. We're going to see temperatures really warm up next week. Pretty good shower and storm chances over the next few days. Stay tuned. More